In this video, we will show some of the new features in the Supplier Dashboard. You first log into your account. You can log in as a regular user or using the Supplier login. If you log in through the Supplier login, you'll be directed to the dashboard. If you log in as a regular user, you'll have to navigate, and I will show you how to get there. Once you log in, click the menu again and then click Supplier Dashboard. On the Supply Dashboard, on the top left, you will see the total number of orders for your account. If there's a pending order, that means that order is still in a processing state, it has not been fulfilled or it has not been cancelled. You can view your orders by clicking the orders menu on the left. Next, you see the total number of products under your account. After that, the total number of RFQs that your account has received. Below that, you will see the number of RFQs this month and last month. To see any new RFQs, on the left menu, you can click on New RFQs. Any RFQs you have responded through the system will show under Ongoing RFQs. In the next tab, you will see call details. First on last month's calls and this month's current calls. After that, you will see a log of the calls that have been received along with the caller's number, duration, and if the call was missed or answered. You can click Next to see the next set of calls.